In my village, Nibwa, Ofa Akwu is one food that everybody knows how to cook well. My mother cooks it like it's a ceremony. That Saturday morning, she woke up early and started boiling palm fruits. While they were boiling, she sent my brother to buy dry fish and scent leaf from Mama Nidi's place. My sister was pounding pepper, and my little brother was washing the pot. When the palm fruits became soft, Mama took them to the backyard and started pounding them. She then washed out the oil, strained it, and poured it into a pot. It was red and shiny like fresh. She added crayfish, pepper, seasoning cubes, onions, and the goat meat she had already boiled. As everything was boiling, the smell filled everywhere. Even our neighbor shouted from the fence, "This food will be sweet oh." She added the dry fish, stirred it, then added a little water. Finally, she added the scent leaf. That's what gives Ofa Akwu that native aroma. The rice was ready. We served everything. As we began to eat, nobody said a word. The only sounds were chop chop and "this soup is sweet oh." In our house, Ofa Akwu is not just food. It's tradition. And it's the kind of soup that can make someone forget they have problems. African food is the sweetest.